Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be looking at a 2006 Honda Element. We're going to be checking all the fluids and the fluids that go in the vehicle by the manufacturer's specifications. You have the power steering pump, reservoir, power steering fluid. Take that cover off. You can see down in there, see the fluid. And this is marked also on the sides of the level. And we have level low and high. It's going to say cold, upper and lower. And then down below that, it actually has the temperature. So here it is on the low side. I would fill that to the high side. On this, you check your manual and see if it's ATF, which is automatic training fluid, or actual specific power steering fluid.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.